into real estate. Why real estate, and what can I do to help you?
Okay. Well, Graham, initially I had about $1 million in single family homes.
Oh man,
Yeah,
okay.
but the market crashed in '08 and '09.
Yeah, I
So
totally know
we,
that. Yeah.
and they had people overpricing what your house was worth and all that stuff. So we really got caught up and had to disperse all the homes we had. And then we had one or two tenants that were there, but the other two tenants, the price was just too high. And then right before, I had a wholesaler before I knew Grand what a wholesaler was,
Okay.
bringing me and my wife houses and houses. So we were like getting a house like almost every 6 months, every 3 months. And before I knew anything about the game, he had sold us his last house up in the Baltimore area by Johns Hopkins University. So we was getting ready to lease it out to doctors and stuff for about $3,000 a month. And then the market just started going south. And the $845,000 house we had last purchased, we had to get rid of it for $225,000.
Okay. Ouch. That hurts.
Right. So when I be listening to Pace and other people talking about how much money they lost, I'm like, dang. Well, I thought mine was a lot, but it still was a lot for a newbie when you talk about single family homes. I knew how to
Right.
collect. I knew how to do background checks. I had one or two places that had Section 8, so it was good. So after that, I just drifted away, and then I ran into a mentor because I'm originally from New Jersey. So I ran into a mentor, and he was starting to show me the ropes. He has about 80 units and stuff. And then unfortunately, he passed in July of 23.
Oh,
And then I had listened to a little bit of Pace. Then I had stopped. Then I had joined this terrible RE mentorship crap. Was a waste of time and a whole lot of money. And I just refocused back on what Pace was doing. So, I probably could have had Graham a deal or two with the single family issues. Excuse me, not issues, the single family arena market area. However, I'm just stuck on multifamily now.
mm,
I just
good.
know it's a quicker way for me to have access to getting my two grandbabies into passive income and creating some leverage for them. So
Mm,
I really look for like between 50 to 100 to 100 and 200 units. I do have a sponsor who can work with me and sign in the first position um, for about 2 to 5 million, and then she has investors who can go up between like 15 and 20 million. So
oh,
I'm really just
fantastic. Mm,
yeah, so I'm just trying to stay focused. I may just need to break the single family monotony just to say that I accomplished and get my first deal. But my main focus, Graham, is strictly just multifamily.
mm.
I've been a single family, right? I'd rather have 50 to 100 units. If I get a tenant or two move out, I can still have a positive cash flow.
Exactly. Yes.
And,
You're
and,
singing
and
my tune, Kerry. Yep.
yeah, yeah, Graham. So you have to really know I don't want to have 100 single families. And I know that for my goal, I can have like 250 units for 10K income, 500 units for 20K. So I don't necessarily have to have that right off the break, but I would like to be in position, even if it's JV, that I can just be in position to have at least 5 to 10, thousand a month to start, and
Yeah.
then go ahead and build some leverage and equity off of that. And then you know how the game goes. You get the investors,
Mm.
and then
Something's
get
happened to
them
the
off there.
video.
Hold on, Graham, for 1 second.
All right.
Go ahead for Kornegay. Go ahead, Chris. Go ahead for Corn. Say it again, Thomas. Come on, I'm in the middle of the hallway. Send them on down to your office.
Yes, sir.
All right, copy. Yeah, now my 9 to 5 brand.
All right.
I'm a
Okay.
behavior specialist in the school system.
All right. Okay. Yeah. We'll have to rescue you from that then. Yeah.
You already know that's what I'm talking about, Grant. In a
Well, that's
hurry.
um your video, you got your hand over the camera.
Mm-hmm.
Um let's see. There we go. Fantastic. Yeah, so you probably can already tell that's my specialty is large multifamily. So
Mm.
that's good to hear that you figured that out because single family is a big risk and you've already figured that out the hard way. I'm sorry
Yes, sir.
that you lost that money. I started with small multifamily over 20 years ago.
Hmm.
Started with a commercial 5 units and then went on for 24, 30, 32, a 12 and what have you, over 100 doors. I lost all that in the crash and all about the crash.
Hmm.
I did make a lot of mistakes, but I recently found myself in the classroom again on large multifamily and could see what I did wrong, and what I could do better this time round.
Hmm.
So that's essentially what I'm concentrating on. I've,
Okay.
I've just about finished writing this book, Investing in Large Multifamily Solved.
Hmm.
That'll be coming out on Amazon soon. And I've
Okay.
restarted my YouTube channel with an idea of creating a community around the idea of large multifamily so we can take these deals down together.
Hmm.
100 units or more, 10 million to 100 million is what I'm currently focusing on.
Okay.
So when we get that, I can give you an invitation to a Zoom call for the
Yeah.
OM, for the offering memorandum. You can come along and see if you want to play the game.
So, Graham, and they know if I want to play the game, I'm ready to play.
Oh, well, I like that. I like that even more. So
Hmm.
let me give you my YouTube channel and you can subscribe.
Okay.
And then that'll keep you upper mind. I'll remember you.
Yes, sir. And it was a
And then what
pleasure
you can
meeting.
do is subscribe and then like the videos, comment
Okay.
on them, and what have you, and that way
Okay,
we
Graham.
can grow together.
Yes, sir. I would definitely appreciate that because my gray ain't showing like your gray, but we both know why we got time. We gotta get as much as we can.
Yep, that's right. Yeah, I'm 63, and that's really why I lighted on this niche, for lifestyle, for wealth creation,
Yeah.
and everything else. It's
And
just
I'm
all the
63 so
ingredients.
too, Graham.
You are? Oh,
Yeah,
oh, well, there we go. We got to stick together, haven't we?
that's right.
Yes. We ain't got for a lot of time to mess around again, right? Make those
That's
big
right.
mistakes.
That's right, Graham. Because we
Yeah.
done been there, so I done paid my dues. Now all I want to do to be in a position where we comfortable, and if we want to go somewhere, if I want to take my grandkids somewhere, it's not an issue of money. I'm just gonna set the time and go.
That's it. That's what's in my heart too.
Yeah,
Yes, absolutely. You're singing my tune. You really
yeah.
are. Yeah.
So where are you originally from, Graham?
From England originally.
Okay.
Came over 22 years ago now, just before 9/11,
Mm-hmm.
in fact, 23 years, isn't it? 23.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Well,
yeah,
that's excellent.
yeah. Mm.
Well, I am so glad that I set my calendar. I said, hold up, that's right. I'm supposed to talk to Graham this morning. So I went into a quiet space, but I believe that we're gonna be in touch for a good while on moving forward. So I
That's
I I,
right.
I would
That's
I
right.
would even appreciate Graham if we talk at least maybe once a week, never let it go past 2 weeks. So we can
Yeah,
definitely so I can hold me accountable for how much progress I've made in the last week, and you know what it's all about, building relationship, but being in position when things come about, because it's going to be a whole lot of things that come around in 2025 with them loans coming up, and either they
that's
going to
right.
be able to refinance
That's
or
exactly
see if the
right.
bank is going to extend. If not, I just want to make sure that we have a team that can initiate and close it, and then have the funds available to make the deal successful.
That's exactly right. And 5 years ago, it was just before COVID. So, things that were bought then are probably in trouble now,
Right?
due. So
Yeah.
that's absolutely right. It's 5, 7, and 10-year balloons with
Hmm.
commercial real estate. So we got a nice run I would say the next 5 years there's going to be plenty of opportunities for it.
And I agree that too, Graham. And like I just mentioned earlier, it just being in position, having some people that we know are knowledgeable, whoever else we may need to team up with. But at the end of the day, it's going to be enough wealth out here for you to be comfortable, because the opportunity is going to be right there in your lap. You ain't got to worry about doing a whole lot of unnecessary stuff. We vet the property good, we vet the seller good and the lenders, and then go ahead and make a move.
That's exactly right. Yeah, I've written another book as well. Let me just put that in the background for you. Let's see.
Okay.
This one here, Demystifying Commercial Real Estate Investing. If you like, I can send you a free copy and you
Yes.
write a review for me. I've
Okay.
got your email as Gregory4352@gmail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll send that to your email, and
Go ahead.
you'll also have in my signature the book a call with me. So yeah, book a call with me whenever you would like to ask me questions or give me feedback or suggestions or anything like that. Be delighted to help you there as well.
Okay, but I would definitely do that. And what I'll do too also is where are you living at now, Graham?
I'm in Knoxville, Tennessee.
Okay, then yeah, because that's where, like, I have a homeboy from New Jersey. He lives out there in Knoxville, and he just told me how that place is developing and growing, and Greenville, Tennessee, all that area out there next to the border is really growing. So I know Tennessee is going to be in a position to make some things happen. So whatever you formulate, however you do it, yeah, let's touch base at least once a week, Graham, and then go from there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, I'm just doing this email for you right now, so you'll have it.
Okay, great.
And we say your name is Khayree, is that right, Khayree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. All right, Khayree. There we go.
Yeah.
All right, just doing that email for you now, and then you'll have it in your mailbox. I'm giving you the Demystifying Commercial Real Estate. So when it comes out, if you could write a review for me, that will be very helpful.
Okay, Mr. Green, that's not gonna be a problem. And listen, it might be every Tuesday or something. I want, like I said, I would like for us to make sure we reconvene at least once a week so we can be on the same page, because
Sounds
things
like
are
a
gonna
good
start
plan.
happening rapidly.
Yes,
Yes. Well,
that's right.
it was, I got everything. I just popped up on my screen.
Okay.
I will review and look and sign and give you a compliment. And more importantly, I want you to have a great day. And
You
it was a
too.
pleasure meeting you.
And
And I'll
you.
talk to you soon.
Yeah, very good, Khayree. Have a good day.
Okay,
Bye
brother.
for now.